Fit like Abdi, Danny Boy here, and welcome back to another episode of Mars Horizon. The next phase of our grand tour is about to kick off, so we'll basically go do that like right now. The first stop should be Jupiter, and if memory serves, we should be dealing with sort of radiation for this. There we go, approaching Jupiter now. This looks good. The Grand Tour, August 1998, Phase 2. Complete, yep. 13, 23, and 13, and there's radiation to deal with. Okay, what do we want to go for first? Possibly that, and then burn off that, and then do that, and then get rid of that last radiation, perhaps. Which forces me to use up 2 more power. Which kind of sucks, but we'll go for it. Right, we've got a bonus, that's nice. We've got another bonus, that's nice. And we just barely made that one. Right, I'm expecting a failure for this last one because we've not had one yet. Oh no, we're good. Okay, that's a good start. We've used up 5 power though. That was a lot. A lot of power got annihilated there. Right, 3. Yeah, but again I need that. I'm just sort of spamming that, I don't know why. And then 2 more power to get rid of that. And I've still got 1 more left. Yeah, get me some more of this, okay. Confirm. Alright, that was nice. Right, we're probably going to get a failure here since we're super low on the old power. There it is. Alright, so sensor alignment, I'm going to accept that. Yeah, that's the one I was hoping would not fail, because we're already using 2 power for that. And the last one is a resounding success. And it's gone up to 5 again. This one is like super rubbish. Right, so that's me back down to 1 on that front again. So I need to get... Yeah, I need to get... well, I can burn off some of these. And then keep doing that because I need to get these up. Right, let's go. Right, a failure. I mean, I think I can... it's going to use up another... Accept that. Yeah, it used up... Oh my god. What is going on? Just accept it, because I need to save power. We're getting there, though. Right, we've got a bonus there, so that's really nice. Right, radiation went up by 4. That's not too bad this time, because I can do 2 of these and that's it gone. And then just keep doing them. 37, 12, and 25. Alright, we're on to these things now. Okay, we've got a failure, but that's okay. I'm just going to accept it, because I've got literally tons of these. Oh, it's taken off of that. Oh, God. No more failures, please. For a pretty reliable payload, it's been pretty unreliable thus far. And a bonus. There we go. We gained one of those blues back, but I need nav. Nav is what we need. Right, what are you going to give me? 5, 4. Okay. 2 turns remaining, so that and that. And then I'm going to do like a ton of these. Yes, I am going to do a ton of those. Okay. Confirm commands. All good. There's another failure. Wow. I suppose we are taking 6 turns each time, so the chance of getting a failure is going to be pretty high. Also, the chance of getting a bonus is going to be higher as well. Right, it's gone up by 3. Is this the last turn? Right, I don't have to worry about this. So I want to do that. And that's 38, 48, and 34. And I'll do a recharge as well. Right, there was the failure. I suppose if I fail one of these, I should have kept that. We'll see how it goes though. Right, last one's going to fail, guaranteed. No, it didn't. So there we go. All good. Even with the amount of failures we had there, it still turned out positively, we'll say. Right, so we're on to Saturn next, it looks like. We've got a funding review. We've got the next phase of the Jupiter thing. Right, the Grandest Tour. Your PR team are eager to run a publicity event promoting the success of the Grand Tour mission so far. This would result in an immediate 250 support boost for the agency. However, members of the team have suggested that waiting until the next successful planetary visit would result in an even greater boost. Yet they warn that should the mission fail, you'll get no boost at all. Right, we'll delay that. Event delayed. Okay. Keep going. Right, the X-ray telescope research is complete. Many stellar objects emit X-rays, but as they're absorbed by Earth's atmosphere, they're impossible to study from the ground. This mission aims to launch a specially designed X-ray telescope into Earth orbit, providing us a remarkable new window onto the universe. Reached Era 4, multiplanetary species. Nice. I've got some research to do, so I'm going to actually do the payload for that. The Japanese have actually done this. If we go to Earth, I did notice this the other day. Well, we're third, yeah. So the Japanese have done it in March of 1995. So I don't know how they got that. They also finished second for that. They're also about to launch this. They're nowhere near. No one else has done a modular space station except for me, really. But let's keep going. NASA completed phase 1 of the Grand Tour. That's okay. We're already on our way to phase 3. Funding review. Right, we're not going to go up here. No chance, because we've not really done anything. Right, the Saturn orbiter vehicle is complete. Launch preparations. Right, it's 85%. So I'm going to go for science for this, because we're researching a lot of heavy duty sort of science. Or heavy science researchable things. Right, what is this satellite I've got here? I've no idea. Will Mars reignite rivalry? News programs are debating whether the race to Mars will see a renewal of the rivalry between Russia and NASA, and most importantly, who will win. Your agency has been approached for comment. Play up rivalry? No, we're going to play down, because I want support from NASA. Yeah. Gained 20 reputation with NASA. Right, Space Rocketry Documentary. A documentary exploring the early days of space rocketry has proved an unexpected success. In the film, a retired engineer from your agency has described the volatile nature of the sounding rockets. The things kept blowing up. Well, I think I had 2 that blew up. Yakov Ryabkov retires. That's fine, because I get slightly more money for that. Right, we're going to be launching the Saturn orbiter very soon. NASA completed Neptune 3rd, but we are way past that. Alright, Saturn orbiter. Right, launch mission. Launch mission. It is a beautiful evening for a launch, it looks like. The Wyvern. This would be like the Wyvern ZXR now. 4%. Yeah, it brings that down to 1. That's good. And it is off and on its way. No problem there with the launch. Almost a positive event. This thing is pretty reliable. We're still leveling up this Centaur G. The Centaur. Right, Saturn orbit phase 1. 4, 4, and 8. So 8, 8, and 15 probably. 16. Ooh, we'll lose 2. Okay, so I need to do all these at the end again. Right, I think we'll go with... Yeah, so get 2 of them. Get 2 of them. I have 4 turns to do this in, and I need a substantial amount of blue. And yeah, get me some more of that for the next turn. Because I think I'm going to need those. Right, we've still got 8 power. We've not used that much power there. And we got a bonus. That's nice. I think I can get these to 8 easily. It's having enough at the end to get the thrust. Alright, we don't lose anything there, which is fine. Right, I've now got 6 of these, so... do that. Do that again. And then do 2 of these. Right, that gets me 12, 11, and something else. Yes, nice. Right, so 2 turns remaining. We're at 13, 11. Now I need 4 of these. So we need 2, 4, 8 extra. And I've got 5 extra. But if I do this, that gets me the 8 extra. I then need 1 more, or a couple of these, and that will get me enough that I need for then. Do a couple of recharges then. Alright, and then do 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 11, and 20. Let's go. So we've got enough power to resist Even every single one of these if they fail, so that's good. I don't think we've had one failure this entire round. There we go. And we are off with bonus in hand. Right, so it's off on its way to Saturn. It's obviously going to take some time to get there. Right, the next phase of the Jupiter Comet impact. Next mission phase ready. Jupiter Comet impact is ready. What's this mission at Earth? Science. Right, go to missions, yes please. Let's get this one rolling. Continue mission. So we'll get a chunk of science for this, so we'll complete that telescope, which is awesome. So we'll maybe get a second for that. Oh, we're back with the old radiation here. What's it giving me? 2? Okay. Right, and it's... So do that. And do that. Right, that gets rid of the radiation. And then I can sort of do this. 5 turns. That gets me to 4, 1, and 5. Yeah, and then I can do a couple of these at the end if I get spare. Alright, that's all good. This one's got a lot of power as well. Accept. And then we're back up to 2. That's fine, actually. Right, so do that. Right. That gets me to 9. And then do that. And then in the next turn, what are we actually going to do? No, in fact, I'm going to go for this because there's quite a lot of power, and I can use 3 to get 4 and 2. And I need these to kind of burn off power, or I can do this at the end. Perhaps, maybe. We'll have to wait and see. Last one. Alright, 6. Okay, now this is the second last turn, so we have to deal with the radiation. No, it's not. Oh well. Yeah, do that then. Right? No, hold on. Hold the fort. Do that. Yeah, and then I can burn off some of these to get the 4, and maybe even some of these. So do that again. I think we can still do this. We've still got another turn after this. It's just dealing with that radiation is super bad. Okay, right, there's a failure, which could be bad, actually, because it means I have no power left. But I need the reds. Right, it's starting to look slightly more unreliable here. Right, second last turn, there's that 2 again. Yeah, so I've got a lot of this. Wait. Do that, right? I'm happy to keep the 5%, and then in the next turn it's not really gonna matter, because we'll literally be done. Okay, there's a failure. That's all good. I've still got 3 power left and enough to resist the last one if it fails, which it did not. Yeah, that doesn't matter, because we are well on our way. Oh, that's it. It's done. Jupiter flyby. Mission complete. Nice. Right, we have a spare mission slot. But what I'm looking for here is a lucrative mission, which there is none currently. Life support test, yep. I know about this. So I'm gonna not build anything because we've only got 13,000. The next phase of the Grand Tour is coming up. Right, hold on. What's this? Venus requests an endurance test. No thanks. Come on, give me something that has money. Atmospheric sensors, no. Jupiter's too far away. Saturn's also kind of too far away. Right, this one gives me money. 3,850. But again, it's going to like Saturn, so that's a long way. Let's just keep going. Belted radiation. Direct observations made during your recent Jupiter's comet impact missions have revealed that Jupiter's radiation belt is much more severe than previously thought, driven by electrical currents in the planet's outer core. The magnetosphere produces belts thousands of times stronger than those around Earth. Well, I would not like to be caught in that. I'd be like Chernobyl times a million. Was it again? 2,000 Roentgen. Not great, not terrible. Right, we've got a funding review in a few months. Right, the Newton research is complete, so that thing is done. So I can now sort of do this. No one else has got it planned, so we're okay at the moment. Any more lucrative missions? Venus. Topographic radar mapping. 5,500. Let's do it. Right, leave it as standard. Build payload. Go to solar system. Let's also set some research as well. We're going to continue on with our modular space station. So let's do that. Next month, funding review. Right, we're not going to make it this year either. Although we did get 2,905. There is something on Earth. Solar Observatory. No, I think we're good. I need some extra cash to fund this Mars caper, so... Right, so this is ready. Payload reliability is only 80%. Next, design the vehicle. Let's see if I can reuse a design. I can use a Delta K. And a Delta K is quite cheap, so load design, right? Let's give it an upgrade. Minus 10% vehicle build cost. Okay, give me that. Contractors. They'll bring it down, but I'll get less science. And there's zero science anyway, because it's money. So that's a no-brainer. Right. Confirm that. Build vehicle. Go to solar system. The Delta K will be complete in 4 months. There's something happening here on Earth. Long duration flight. Nah. Money is what we're going for here. Delta K complete. Oh, that's good. Because then I can set... Yeah, let's... So it's 98%... Minus 25% payload reliability. Well, that sucks. So what we shall do is... Do that. Continue. And then... Ooh, right. This is the suboptimal and... Yeah, everything is super rubbish. When are we? July 2000. January, February, April, May... What? Right, we're here. Go to the next page. Right, go in August then. So that sucks. We're gonna have to postpone that for some time. Right, confirm mission setup. Go to solar system. When is that now? Yeah, 13 months. That's fine though. Next mission phase ready of the Grand Tour. So we are now going to Saturn. Alright, so we'll continue with this. Okay, so here we go, on our way towards Saturn. Alright, so what are we getting here? 28, 28 and 40, and we have to deal with heat and radiation. Wow. Now to burn off radiation I need to use a lot of these, which is bad. But I can burn off some of this by doing that. Okay, and then I can do 2 of them. And then I can do something else if I so wish to. That? No, not that. That would be dumb. Maybe get me 6 of them. Right, it's me down to 5 power already. Right, it's looking good so far. Right, there's the failure. There it is. Right, I knew that was coming. Just accept. Okay, so heat goes back up, but we're still at 2, which is fine. Still at 2. Right, burning a lot of power there. That's okay. $24, 10 and 9. We've still got 5 turns remaining. Okay, let's see how this gets on. That's nice. And that's nice. Oh sweet, no failures there, so that's a real boost. Okay, back up to this. We're still at 4. Right, let's get rid of the radiation. And I'm still at 4. $18, 19, 28. Okay. Alright, there's a failure. I think I've got 1 power to resist this. I might actually just accept that, yep. I lost another navigation, which I kind of needed. And I gained another data. Last one. Nice, okay. Right, so we're down to 1. And then back up to 4. Right, so burn off those. Get me that. Okay, this is looking not too bad. Ooh, that is really nice. No failure. But this is at 2. Uh-oh. I think I might have screwed that up. No, we're still good. Right, now I want to do this though. And I want to do that. Burn off the radiation and then do this. Right, I think I can actually do this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's okay. Just accept it. I think we're still going to be fine. Last one. We got a bonus and we got that nav back, which is nice. Okay, right, it's the last turn though. So do 1, 2 of them. That gets me up to 35. $42, $40 and $43. Go for it. Oh, nice. Right, failure, but that's okay. Accept that. And it is off. Oh, that one was super tough. That's one of the hardest ones I've probably had to do. Right, so we're on our way. Russia completed phase 3 of the Grand Tour. We sure did. We are launching our topographic radar in 12 months. We'll just keep going. Ooh, so the Grand Tour. Oh, so they're doing this again. Now we'll wait till we get to the next planet, and then we'll do it. Right, keep going. Modular Space Station 3 research is complete. Now I'm actually going to change this up, and I'm going to do a building because I want to get down here. I don't have to build them. I can at least research them. Next month. Next month. The budget review is in. Okay, so we didn't. We're still only getting 750k. Requests. Earth topography. There's a request for something else. Mars. Tethered rover. Well, we've already done a tethered rover. We sent a Wally up. Jupiter, Saturn. Somebody wants to go to Neptune for some reason. Uranian magnetics. Right, one thing I want to check though is this. So, Jupiter orbiter. We've researched it. No one is going up yet. That's something I want to get done. What's this at Mars again? Oh yeah, tethered rover. No thanks. We need lucrative contracts. Timothy Smokin retires. Okay. We'll have to keep checking our astronauts just to make sure we've still got some left. Yeah, these are all science missions. Science is kind of no use at the moment. Right, China's launching Modular Space Station 2 in a few months. There's another contract for Mars. Mini rover. No thanks. Someone else can pick that up. Right, so we've got funding review in a couple of months. And then in the next episode we will launch our topographic. Somebody wants to go to Mercury. Yeah, for science. No, we need money. More satellites need to be launched into space. So we'll leave it there for that episode. As always, if you did watch this and you would like to leave a like, comment or dislike, please feel free to do so. And if there is more you would like to see in the future, then hit that subscribe button. I've been Danny Boy, this has been Mars Horizon, and I will catch you later.